Hello and welcome to Code with Juni. In this tutorial, we will learn the programming language C++. For the purpose of his tutorials, we will be using code blocks. First, let's create a new project. Click on Create a New Project. Next, select Console Application, then select C++. Now, let's add a project title. Next, let's select a folder to save our project inside. Click Next, then click on Finish. Our project is created successfully. In the case of any error, comment your error for my assistance. Now, from the left panel, select Sources. Open the main.c++ file. In the main.c++ file, there are some lines of code. Let's discuss what they mean line by line. Line 1 is a header file library that lets us use input and output objects. Example, the syntax on line 7. Header files add functionality to our C++ programs. Line 3 means that we can use names for objects and variables from the standard library. We will talk more about objects and variables in future tutorials. You do not need to understand those two lines now. Just remember to have them correct on top of your program. Line 5 is a function. A function is a piece of program code that performs a specific task. In this case, our program. We will talk more about functions in future tutorials. Codes in the curly brackets of the function are performed when the program is executed. Line 7 is used to display hello world when the program is executed. We will discuss the syntax used in the next tutorial. Line 8 ends the main function of our program. In C++, at the end of every statement, you will need to end it with a semicolon. Now, let's execute our program. From the bar on top, there is a run button for executing our program. There is a build and run button to build and execute out program. And also, there is a build button for building our program. Let's build and run our program to see it output. We see that the hello world text is displayed. Do not worry about the line below it, it just means everything works. In the next tutorial, we will be discussing the output syntax. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.